Tem uma ceguinha.
Ainda mais no início, tá ligado? Pra pegar a base ali.
Montserrat is a multi-summit mountain located in Catalonia, Spain. It means serrated mountain in Catalan, and it's a spectacular mountain range composed of distinctive pink conglomerate rocks.
Não sabemos se foi o gelo mesmo.
Sim, mas eu suspeito. Foi a cereja do bolo, assim, meu barco.
Sim, eu imagino.
There are many different hiking trails that you can take while you're in Montserrat. And there's also a religious monastery that is famous for its statue of the Black Madonna, also known as La Moreneta. As the day was rainy and cloudy, we chose one of the easiest hiking paths to take, but it doesn't mean that it wasn't beautiful. We actually reached the Cruz of San Miguel, that it's a really beautiful spot in Montserrat. So you can see the monastery from up there, you can see the mountains around you, and the path itself is very rich in history, so it was the most important access route to the Montserrat during the medieval period, so it's really interesting to walk there.
Era o caminho.
Tenho do Himalaia aí 2 meses. Preparação.
Eu consigo ficar muitas horas sem comer.
Mas eu também.